what's your only problem? The fact that I'm not eating at
Oo, wala ka kakaon sa insakto.
I eat properly. It's just that you don't eat with
Nausikan mo
me.
pagkaon.
What do you mean nausikan kong pagkaon?
Wala mo ginakaon, ginakaon mo lang gamay, sumbilin mo na.
So what?
Every
If
time
I
you
don't,
know.
if really, are you sure about that? Are you making up stories again? I ate
Oh,
almost
every time gin-
2/3 of the food last time, and you didn't eat anything. You ate just 2 bites, probably 2 or 3 bites. That's it.
Sumbilin mo
I
lang
ate
to.
most of it earlier, just because you
Oh.
didn't want to share with me. I didn't want to eat, so I.
Kagina.
Nadulaan ko kayo na, Hina. Kagina eh. That's the only time I ate
Oh.
only a little bit. But you, on the other hand, did not eat much last time. At Greenwich, I ate 2/3 of the pizza and then most of the chicken. So what the
Oh.
fuck is your problem, huh?
Oh, nakakinamot kayo mo, may
So
kutsara.
what's wrong? What's wrong with using my hands?
Nakakinamot, wala
What's
ka
wrong?
mahugas.
What's wrong with using my hands? Are you
Mabitungkol ka na.
sure?
Oo.
Are you sure I don't wash
Wala
my
ka
hands?
mahugas.
Are you sure I don't
Buhay
wash
ka
my hands?
kwarta.
Are you
Wala,
sure about
wala.
that?
Oo.
Did you see me not wash my hands? Because I washed my hands.
Why, upod
I
ka,
washed
wala
my
ka
hands at the
nahugas.
food court last
Wala ka
time.
nahugas. Kung may kutsara, nag-ano ka.
So what? Is
Kinamot
there a
kayo
problem
yan.
with using my hands when eating?
Gudog lang.
Is that your only problem? You're gonna send me to the mental health hospital just because I don't eat properly and I use my hands when eating? Bullshit!